Okay, one last example. Let's make it an ugly one for multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Well, it does look really messy. The nice thing is that this is multiplication, so I can really jump straight into, is this reducible? You can't cancel things out of multiplication and division problems unless they are factors. So first thing we're going to need to do is start trying to factor everything. So on the top, I'm seeing a common factor, always look for those, of 4m. And when I divide out 4m, I'm going to be left with an m squared minus 4. Remember, if you're not sure you got it right, distribute back in and make sure you get that 4m cubed minus 16m. I can do better with what I just wrote, but I'll leave it there for now. Below that, I have an even bigger common factor. I think I can get 12m cubed. So when I divide that out, the 12 divided out of the 12 is 1. When I divide m cubed out of m to the 5th, I'm left with 2m's, m squared, minus 12 divided by 12 is 1. M to the 4th divided by m cubed is m. 72, okay, let me make sure I got this right in my head. I think that's 6, right? 60, yep, so minus 6, and then all the m's are gone. Again, I can factor that more, but I'm just going to go one step for now. In the second fraction, I need leading coefficient 1, factors of negative 6 that add up to negative 5. So I think that's a negative 6, positive 1. And then on the bottom, I have another common factor, this time just a plain old m, which leaves me with m times m minus 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite what we've got. And then I'm going to go ahead and try and do a little better where I have m squared minus 4. That's 2 terms, so look for that difference of squares since I've already got the common factor. And then I'll have that multiplied by m minus 6. M plus 1. Oh, I didn't even look if I could. I don't think I had anything to factor yet. Oh, I could have factored or canceled an m, but that's okay. We'll save it up and do it all now. Okay, the m squared minus m minus 6. I'm looking for factors of negative 6 that add up to negative 1. So I think I'm going to want negative 3 and positive 2. And then I have another m and an m minus 2. Okay, so now I think I'm fully factored. So what can we get rid of? M plus 2 is attached to everything by multiplication on the top and the bottom. So let's cross that out. M minus 2 is a factor of the top and the bottom. Lots of m's floating around. I'm just going to cancel this lonely m with this lonely m. And then 4 into 12 3 times. Leave me ones. Everywhere you cross something out, there's a 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay, m minus 3. Okay, I don't think I can cancel anything else, so let's just regroup and say 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times m minus 6 times m plus 1. M minus 6, m plus 1. And then on the bottom, I see an m cubed, m minus 3. And I definitely can't cancel anymore. I'm totally fine with this as is. If WAMAP wants you to multiply it out, we can do that. M squared, outside would be m minus 6m is negative 5m minus 6. I think once again, that's exactly what we got it from, so not too surprising. And then the bottom would become m to the 4th minus 3m cubed. And I'd leave it just like that. Okay, thanks for watching.